One of the biggest mistakes traders make is not knowing how to manage their open trades when the market reopens on Monday. Many traders panic. They close trades too early, or they hold losing trades without a plan. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I manage my USDJPY trades using a structured approach with buy positions and sell stop protection. If you understand this system, you will stop making emotional decisions and start managing your trades like a professional trader. Right now, I have two open buy trades on USDJPY. The first trade was opened at around 157,873, and the second trade was opened at around 157,536. One of the trades is slightly negative, while the other one is already in profit. When you combine both positions, the total result is still positive. But the important part is not just the buy trades. Below the market, I also placed several sell stop orders. These sell stops act as protection in case the market suddenly drops. This creates a structure where the account is protected in both directions. Most traders only trade one direction. If the market moves against them, they panic and close their positions. But instead of panicking, I place sell stop orders below the market. This means that if USDJPY suddenly drops, the sell trades will activate and start generating profit. This strategy allows the account to recover if the market reverses. It's a way to control risk instead of reacting emotionally. The most important rule when the market opens on Monday is very simple. Do nothing immediately. When the market opens, it often makes fake moves. Sometimes it spikes up. Sometimes it spikes down. These moves are often liquidity traps designed to trigger stop losses, so the best thing to do is wait at least 30 to 60 minutes before making any decision. This allows the real market direction to appear. If USDJPY moves upward after the market opens, the first thing I will do is protect the trades. For example, if price reaches around 158.10 or higher, I will move both stop losses to break even. This means the worst possible outcome is zero loss. Once the trade becomes risk-free, the market can continue moving and potentially reach higher targets. At that point, I simply allow the trend to continue. Sometimes the market opens and makes a small pullback before continuing the trend. If the price drops slightly but the Renko trend remains above the moving averages, that pullback is usually normal. This is not a reason to panic. Strong trends often make small dips before continuing upward. So the key is to stay patient and follow the structure of the market. If the market drops strongly below key levels, that's where the sell stop orders become important. Those sell stops will start activating automatically. When that happens, the account starts generating profit from the downward move. Instead of losing money from the buy trades, the sell trades help balance the account. This is why having a structured plan is so important. One important thing to remember is position size. The current buy trades are both 0.25 lots, which is already a significant exposure. Because of that, adding more trades too quickly can increase risk. The goal is not to open many trades. The goal is to manage the trades that are already open. Good traders focus more on trade management than on opening new positions. USDJPY has been showing strong bullish momentum recently. This means the market could still continue upward. However, markets never move in a straight line. Pullbacks and liquidity moves are normal. So instead of predicting every movement, the smart approach is to prepare for both directions and let the market reveal its next move. Trading success is not about predicting the market perfectly. It's about managing risk and controlling emotions. When you follow a clear system and protect your trades properly, you remove most of the stress from trading. And that's when trading starts to become consistent. If you want to see the tools and trading resources I use for my analysis and strategies, you can access them through my Telegram bot. https://nt.me Forex Strategy Factory Bot. And if this video helped you understand trade management better, Like the video, share it with another trader, and subscribe to the channel for more real Forex education.